Welcome to our channel. Paying your Discover credit card bill online is convenient and ensures your payment is processed quickly to avoid late fees. Step 1. Log into your Discover account at discover.com using your username and password. Step 2. From your account dashboard, select your Discover credit card. Step 3. Click on Make a Payment or Pay Card button. Step 4. Select the bank account from which you want to make the payment, ensuring it's linked to your Discover account. Step 5. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click Add a Bank Account and provide your account and routing numbers. Step 6. Choose your payment amount from options like minimum payment, statement balance, current balance, or enter a custom amount. Step 7. Select the payment date, choosing either today for immediate processing or a future date up to 40 days in advance. Step 8. Review all payment details including amount, date, and source account. Step 9. Submit your payment and save the confirmation number. Step 10. You can set up autopay by selecting autopay and choosing to pay either the minimum, statement balance, or a fixed amount each month. Step 11. Monitor your account to ensure the payment posts correctly within 1-2 business days. Step 12. You can also make payments through the Discover mobile app using the same process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.